Got an OCT file from a scientific computing project? This is a script or compiled function for Octave, the free MATLAB alternative. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you run and work with these GNU Octave files. If you frequently deal with unusual OCT file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. OCT files are compiled dynamically loadable function files for GNU Octave, the free open-source numerical computing environment compatible with MATLAB. They contain compiled C++ code that extends Octave with optimized native functions, providing significantly faster execution than interpreted M-file equivalents for computationally intensive operations. GNU Octave OCT files are compiled shared library files in platform-specific binary format containing C++ functions built using the Octave API mkoctfile compiler. They implement the octfile interface with defun DLD macros, exposing C++ functions as callable Octave commands with automatic type conversion between Octave and C++ data structures. GNU Octave is the standard set by GNU Project for accessing the OCT format. Windows lacks necessary integrity checks, so safe handling requires approved software. Windows shows the script's text, yet running it properly requires the correct interpreter. We're going to use the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your OCT file, then click Open with, test GNU Octave if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Methodical testing works. If the OCT file is still giving you trouble, relax. The solution is often simpler than you think. If the OCT file is still stubborn, look for one of these three basic errors. Use this quick reference list to check them now. First, using in GNU Octave. Place the OCT file in Octave's function path or the current working directory. Call the function by name from the Octave command window just like any built-in function. Octave automatically loads the compiled OCT file and executes the native function when called. Use which function name to verify the file is found. Next, rebuilding from source. If the OCT file fails to load due to platform incompatibility, obtain the C++ source file and recompile using mkoctfile source.cc in the Octave command window. This builds a new OCT file compatible with your specific Octave version and operating system. Ensure development headers and a C++ compiler are installed. Finally, troubleshooting load errors. If Octave reports errors loading an OCT file, the compiled file may target a different Octave version or platform. Check version compatibility with the ver command. Missing dependency libraries can also cause load failures. Use LDD on Linux or OTool on macOS to check the OCT file's dynamic library dependencies. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.